During your academic career, you look to study, forge for knowledge, and become a better version of yourself.
That's why Point Park has partnered with lynda.com.
Lynda.com is an online learning service offering over 200,000 video tutorials in over 4,000 subject areas. You can master the newest software,
Crack that financial accounting homework,
earn certificates that connect to your LinkedIn profile,
establish career and resume building techniques,
and gain insights on business, leadership, math, technology, and even the art of happiness.
lynda.com works on Macs, PCs, smartphones, and tablets. You can work wherever and whenever you want.
To access lynda.com, you can find it on the pointpark.edu website, or just go to lynda.com and log in with your regular Point Park email information.
We encourage you to explore lynda.com so that you may evolve into the best version of yourself that you can be.